Hello everyone, I am Rishikesh Shaurya. I am from Sarla Birla University, Ranchi. I am going to present our project IoT based home automation solution that we done during our internship period in Emertxe Information Technology, Bangalore. We done this internship in online mode. Thank you Emertxe and mentors for this learning opportunity. First, we will be discussing on what we learned in this internship period like C programming, IoT, embedded system, microcontroller, Arduino through Blink app project. C programming. C is procedural programming language. It was initially developed by Dennis Riches as a system programming language to write operating system. The main feature of C language includes low level access to memory, simple set of keywords and clean style. These feature makes C language suitable for system programming like operating system or compiler development. Feature of C language. C is the widely used language. It provides many features that are given below. Simple, machine independent or portable, mid-level programming language, structured programming language, rich library, memory management, fast speed, pointers, recursion, extensible. These are the characteristic of C language. Basic structure of C language look like this. IoT, Internet of Things. The term IoT or Internet of Things refers to the collective network of connected devices and the technology that facilitates communication between devices and the cloud as well as between the devices themselves. Thanks to the advent of inexpensive computer chips and high bandwidth telecommunication, we now have billions of devices connected to the internet. This means everyday devices like toothbrushes, vacuums, cars, and machines can use sensor to collect data and respond intelligently to the user. How does IoT works? A typical IoT system works through the real-time collection and exchange of data. An IoT system has three components. First, smart device. This is a device like a television, security camera, or exercise equipment that has been given computing capabilities. It collects data from its environment, user input, or usage patterns and communicate data over the internet to and from its IoT application. Second, IoT application. An IoT application is a collection of services and software that integrates data received from various IoT devices. It uses machine learning or artificial intelligence AI technology to analyze this data and make informed decisions. These decisions are communicated back to the IoT device and the IoT device then respond intelligent to input. Third, a graphical user interface. The IoT device or fleet of devices can be managed through a graphical user interface. Common example includes a mobile application or website that can be used to register and control smart devices. These are the example of Internet of Things. This is the IoT ecosystem, how it looks like. Embedded system. As its name suggests, embedded means something that is attached to another things. An embedded system can be thought of as a computer hardware system having software embedded in it. An embedded system can be an independent system or it can be a part of a large system. An embedded system is a microcontroller or microprocessor based system which is designed to perform a specific task. For example, a fire alarm is an embedded system. It will sense only smoke. Embedded system components. An embedded system has three components. First, it has hardware. Second, it has application software. Third, it has real time operating system RTOS that supervises the application software and provide mechanism to let the processor run a process as per scheduling by following a plan to control the latencies. RTOS defines the way the system works. It sets the rules during the execution of application program. A small scale embedded system may not have RTOS. So we can define an embedded system as a microcontroller based, software driven, reliable, real time control system. Microcontroller. A microcontroller is a integrated circuit IC device used for controlling other portion of an electronic system, usually via microprocessor unit, MPU, memory, and some peripherals. These devices are optimized for embedded applications that requires both processing functionalities and agile, responsive interaction with digital, analog, or electromechanical components. This is the diagram how microcontroller looks like. This is the structure of function of home automation using microcontroller and IoT. Arduino. Arduino is a open source platform used for building electronics project. Arduino consists of both a physical programmable circuit board, often referred to as microcontroller, and a piece of software or IDE, integrated development environment, that runs on your computer used to write and upload computer code to the physical board. The Arduino platform has become quite popular with just starting out with electronics, and for good reason. Unlike most previous programmable circuit boards, the Arduino does not need a separate piece of hardware called a programmer. In order to load new code onto the board, you can simply use a USB cable. Additionally, the Arduino IDE uses a simplified version of C++, making it easier to learn program. Finally, Arduino provides a standard form factor that breaks out the function of the microcontroller into a more accessible package. This is how an Arduino looks like. Blink framework. Blink is an IoT platform or iOS or Android smartphone that is used to control Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and Node MCU via the internet. This application is used to create a graphical interface or human machine interface HMI by compiling and providing the appropriate address on the available widgets. Blink was designed for the Internet of Things. It can control hardware remotely. It can display sensor data. It can store data, visualize it, and do many other cool things. This is the program written on a Blink app. Turn on the LED on for 1 second, then off for 1 second repeatedly. Now, at the conclusion, it was a great learning experience. Along with an exponential growth in connected device, each thing in IoT communicates packet of data that requires reliable connectivity, storage, and security. With IoT, an organization is challenged with managing, monitoring, and securing immense volumes of data and connections from dispersed device. IoT technology can be used in sectors like manufacturing, agriculture, healthcare, transportation, media or advertising, retail, water and waste management, power distribution, along with home automation solutions. Once again, I like to thank Immersive Information Technology for providing this opportunity which give us a sound knowledge on embedded system and Internet of Things. Thank you all.